wanted to do something, but a small voice inside your head saying, "You can't do it." This is an inspirational speech about believing in yourself. Maybe you wanted to try something new, join a contest, or speak in front of many people, but you felt scared or unsure. We all felt that way sometimes. We think we're not smart enough, not strong enough, or not good enough. But here's the truth is, you are enough. Each of us has something special inside. We just need to believe in ourselves and trust that we can do it. Believing in yourself means having faith that you can reach your goals even when the things get hard. It means trying again after you make a mistake. It means not giving up when people doubt you. When you believe in yourself, you give yourself a chance to grow and succeed. Yes, there will always be a challenges. You might fail at tests, make a wrong choice, or feel like nothing is working. But that's okay. Everyone goes through hard times. What matters is that you keep going and don't stop trying. Every time you try again, you become stronger. Every time you face your fears, you gain more courage. And every time you believe in yourself, you get closer to your dreams. Sometimes we compare ourselves to others. We see someone who seems smarter, faster, or more talented, and we think, "I'll never be like them." But remember this, no one else can be you. You have your own story, your own talent, and your own way of shining. The world doesn't need another person who tries to be someone else. The world needs you, your ideas, your voice, your heart. Believing yourself opens doors to many new things. It helps you try, explore, and discover what you're truly good at. Confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from not giving up. It comes from standing up after you fail and saying, "I try again." Think about the people you admire, famous athletes, singers, teachers, or even your parents. They all failed at some point. They all faced fear. They didn't let stop them. They believe in themselves even when others didn't. So the next time you feel unsure, remember you are brave, you are strong, you are enough. Don't wait for others to believe in you. Start believing in yourself. Because once you do, amazing things can happen. Believe in your dreams, believe in your heart, believe that you can make difference. Because when you believe in yourself, anything is possible. And that's it. Thank you.